TRADESAFE Complete Breaker Lockout Tagout Kit delivers broad circuit breaker coverage for safe, standardized electrical panel isolation. It includes two 120 to 277-volt breaker locks for toggle ranges up to 5/8 by 1/2 inch, providing secure isolation for single-pole breakers. For higher voltage applications, the two 480 to 600-volt breaker locks secure toggle ranges up to 1/2 by 1.5 inches, plus one oversized 480 to 600-volt breaker lock for toggle ranges up to 1 by 2 3/4 inches. It also includes two universal breaker locks for that added flexibility to secure both single and multi-pole breakers. This kit is complete with 4 Loto locks with corrosion-resistant stainless steel shackles and non-conductive thermoplastic bodies. These premium locks feature a key-retaining brass core cylinder to ensure they cannot be left unlocked, improving safety compliance during Loto operations. Each keyed differently and is available in 1 or 2 keys per lock. The 3 steel jaw hasps with double-layered nylon-coated handles are available in a 1-inch jaw diameter. Each allows for up to 6 padlocks, so equipment remains locked out until every worker removes their lock. Weather-resistant 32 mm thick vinyl tags provide identification and clear hazard communication with bold danger and do not operate warnings. All 10 Loto tags feature high-contrast coloring for instant visibility and a spacious surface for seamless notation using markers or wax pencils. For secure tag attachment, 17 non-releasable nylon zip ties are included, rated at a minimum 50 pounds unlocking strength. All components are stored in a heavy-duty, tear-resistant polyester canvas bag built for daily industrial use. The durable zipper keeps devices secured between tasks, and the built-in sturdy handle allows for easy carrying. Measuring 7.5 by 5 1/8 by 3.5 inches, it's compact but spacious enough to keep Loto devices organized and ready for use. The high-visibility red canvas and clearly printed Lockout Tagout label allow for quick identification in tool cribs, lockers, and maintenance carts. This 25-piece complete breaker Loto kit is designed to exceed standards for controlling hazardous electrical energy, helping facilities implement reliable and safe lockout procedures. Built better, made stronger. Perform every time.